Presenting BiocidesHub, an exciting new regulatory information source brought to you by trusted news provider Chemical Watch in partnership with industry experts. BiocidesHub is a specialist resource providing the professional biocides community with deep and focused insight into the regulatory agenda for products used to control biological hazards. BiocidesHub keeps you on top of emerging legislation. It gives advance warning of key developments and provides practical guidance on managing the regulatory challenges facing your organization. BiocidesHub delivers quality, timely, accurate content that's quick and easy to find. Daily news, key documents, summaries, insightful commentary, analysis, deadlines, events, guidance and resources, all clearly signposted. Chemical Watch delivers this unique service in partnership with selected industry expert partners, bringing invaluable experience and resources to the biocides community. Let's take a look inside. Biocides content across key regimes and regions. The first thing you'll notice on the BiocidesHub website is that the articles and resources are intuitively divided across the key regulatory regimes. Keep track of real-time developments through the homepage or the pages dedicated to the major regulatory regimes in Europe, including member state activity, and North America. International developments, for example OECD announcements, and information from other countries and regions are presented on the global page. News and features. At the heart of the BiocidesHub service lies our extended news coverage of regulatory developments and practical compliance issues. BiocidesHub brings you exclusive, in-depth coverage of issues and events as they unfold, helping steer your compliance efforts with forward-looking reporting from the same world-class team that brought you market-leading regulatory news service Chemical Watch. Our unique position as an impartial commentator, combined with our high journalistic standards and clear reporting style, makes BiocidesHub distinct from any other regulatory source on the market. Moreover, Chemical Watch now hosts at least 3 conferences on biocides regulation globally each year, ensuring that we remain closely in touch with our readers and on top of the latest issues. Legislation. BiocidesHub presents key legislation on all elements of biocides regulation, from overarching controls to the approval of active substances and products. As well as linking to the full regulatory text, we provide summaries and interpretation to help you understand the often complex obligations facing your organization. Guidance. Within the guidance section of BiocidesHub, you will find official documents from the regulatory authorities, along with practical information and tools to help your company comply with its legal requirements. Consultations. Keep on top of consultations relevant to the regulation and approval of biocide products through the BiocidesHub consultations section. Expert comment. Here you will find forward-looking, practical advice and commentary from regulatory authorities, industry experts and other stakeholders across a range of topics. For example, an analysis of the amendments of the EU's biocide products regulation, or the impact of new US data requirements. Our aim is to bring you a 360-degree view of regulatory requirements. Risk assessment. All key documents relating to the risk and efficacy assessment of biocidal active ingredients and products will appear, including our key OECD guidelines and guidance. Key resources, directory listings, service providers and curated links. To further ensure you have all the regulatory content on biocides you need in one place, we offer useful sections including directory listings, featuring useful contact points, service provider listings for anyone seeking biocide-related services, and curated links from Chemical Watch's main news site and around the web, signaling other interesting and useful content. Material from conferences and other events, and an events listing. Through a media gallery, keep track of Chemical Watch's biocides conferences, workshops and webinars along with other events. We also provide a listing of relevant forthcoming biocides events globally. Flags and filters. If you are looking for information on specific topics, product types or countries, you will be able to find the content you are looking for as quickly and easily as possible by using preset topic filters, for instance according to EU product types. In addition, new content is highlighted as it appears on the hub. Community. The BiocidesHub team is ready to listen to your story, your concerns, the challenges you face, and the solutions you offer, so you can become part of a dedicated community of Biocides regulatory professionals. Let's recap. BiocidesHub brings you regional content, primarily drilling down to the detail of the EU and North American regulatory regimes, and also providing you content from other key markets. Timely, in-depth, impartial news and features. Legislation, including links to full text and summaries. Guidance from Biocides authorities. A consultation tracker. Expert comments and practical tips. Risk assessment documents, including from the OECD. Key resources for reference. Directory of relevant contacts. Service provider listings. Curated links from CW's main news site and around the web. Reports from conferences and other events. Events listing. Flags and filters for easy navigation of activities by country, subject and product type, and a focused community built around Biocides regulatory issues. BiocidesHub really is your one-stop source for Biocides regulatory content. Subscribe today or take a non-obligation free trial to find out more.